Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Ann Clark brand, their small batch gourmet buttermilk pancake mix. It's large, 30 ounces, made in USA. And this mix will allow you to make light, fluffy, old-fashioned pancakes that you love. This recipe was carefully formulated in their test kitchen, and no time or expense was spared in creating a pancake mix that they'd be proud to serve for any time for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So we're going to be trying this recipe out. I looked at the ingredients already, and here's all the, here's how to make them, and the ingredients all look really good. So I'm going to follow this, and I'm going to make some delicious pancakes. So here's what the pancake mix looks like, and it has a nice resealable pouch on there so that you can reuse this and keep it closed. So here I'm going to be trying the recipe, and it's 1 cup of the mix, half a cup of water, 1 egg, and about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And it says to melt butter and then let it cool. Measure pancake mix into mixing bowl, which is right here, 1 cup. Add water, eggs, and melted butter. Here's the water. Add the melted butter. Now we're going to crack the egg and add that. It says whisk lightly, leaving batter slightly lumpy, and let it sit for 5 minutes. So there it is. Just going to let it sit for 5 minutes. So you have the pan all hot. Just use a little spray oil. So it's about 3/4 of a cup. Make a little more of a circle. I like my pancakes a little bit bigger. And let that cook, and it's going to start to bubble, and then we know it's time to flip it. So you can see the little air bubbles on there, and you know that's time to flip it. And you see a beautiful brown color on there. Smells unbelievable. And let's add a little maple syrup on there, put a little butter already. It smells absolutely amazing. Maple syrup goes a long way, so you don't need to put that much on there. Let's look at the texture right there, beautiful. Absolutely delicious. Wow, that's really good. So after testing, what do I think about the Ann Clark brand? Their small batch gourmet buttermilk pancake mix, this large 30-ounce size. Well, as I demonstrated, made delicious pancakes. Very easy to make, just follow the directions on the back, and they're absolutely delicious. So I love this product. I'm gonna give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.